If you're on 373, you'll see there the subject is a letter to Netcom, and it's an email from one Nkabinde CM dated 31 December 2024. Good afternoon, National Commissioner General Masemola. Please find the attached letter from the Minister for your urgent attention. That is dated the 31st of December, and you indicate that you received it on the 2nd by way of a WhatsApp. And you mentioned this on paragraph 109 of your statement. Is that correct?
That is correct, Commissioner.
Okay. And before dealing with the contents of the letter, to go back to your paragraph 109, you continue, you say, I did not fully appreciate the significance of the letter because, as I said, I was on leave. And you then deal with the 3 topics that are addressed by that letter. If I can ask you then to turn to the letter at 374. You will see the heading. The heading is Directives on Matters Relating to Crime Intelligence, Ports of Entry and Political Killings Task Team. And the first issue is filling of posts in the Intelligence Division. The second is Ports of Entry. And if you turn over the page, the third one is the Political Killings Task Team. And if I can ask you to deal with that, issue that the Minister was addressing in 2019. Please proceed from there.
Yeah, the letter reads as follows on paragraph 3, Political Killings Task Team. In 2019, a directive was made to the National Commissioner of Police following the Moerane Commission report, even though not flowing directly from such, that an interministerial task force be established. The key mandate was to stop, investigate, resolve, unresolved matters of political